Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to switch the maximum speed limit on your vehicle. We'll cover both DNA 12 and DNA 16 models. Let's get started. The speed limit switch is located on the base of the vehicle. The first step is to open the waterproof plug. This reveals a toggle switch that we'll use to adjust the speed settings. Let's begin with the DNA 12 model. It has two speed settings, a low speed mode and a high speed mode. The low speed setting caps at 7.5 kmph, while the high speed setting goes up to 15 kmph. Now, let's look at the DNA 16. This model offers three speed settings, low, medium and high. The low speed is set at 6 kmph, medium at 13 kmph, and the high speed reaches up to 25 kmph. To adjust the speed, simply toggle the switch to your desired setting. It's as easy as that. Once you've made your adjustments, please remember to cover the switch again with the waterproof plug. This is crucial to protect the mechanism from water and dust. And there you have it. You can now easily switch between different speed limits on your DNA 12 or DNA 16 model. Enjoy your ride, but remember to always prioritize safety. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. See you next time.